In this scene, the leftover watermelon peels are carefully processed by hand. We divert this organic material from the flow rate seems stable.
Yes, but look at the pressure reading on gauge 3. Check the flow rate on line 3.
Looks stable. Pressure is holding steady.
We're hitting peak efficiency on the watermelon line.
Yeah, the numbers look great. We should be able to cover the regional demand easily.